You've seen dozens of videos about AI making people money, but here's the exact step-by-step method to make your first $100 a day using AI. Step 1. Pick your niche. Go for something simple like YouTube Shorts, product reviews, or motivational videos. The goal, create faceless content that gets attention fast. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write your scripts in Pexels or Pixabay for free stock clips. If you want voiceovers, use ElevenLabs or Play.ht. It sounds like a real person. Step 3. Upload your clips to OpusClip or CapCut AI. These tools automatically cut your videos, add captions, and make them viral ready in minutes. Step 4. Upload to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Add trending titles, hashtags, and a clear thumbnail. Use TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find the best keywords. Step 5. Monetize your content. Once you start getting 10,000 plus views, you can earn from ads, affiliate links, or selling digital products. It's a real business, powered by AI. That's the full system. Subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to automate everything so you make money while you sleep.